Hi and welcome to my kitchen. This is not a recipe because the ingredients almost don't matter. Right here behind me I got all the leftover dried herbs from last year and I love to make my own herb salt. It's really easy, let me show you how. We've got chervil, curry plant, summer savory, white magic basil, leaf celery, Greek thyme, honey melon sage and mountain basil. I really love to use some parsley. I didn't have any left over, so this is store-bought. It's fast, easy and the result tastes amazing, looks a little bit like that. I already mentioned the herbs. They really need to be very dry. We're also going to need a coffee grinder, a large bowl and obviously salt. Croatian sea salt is my preferred choice. Let's get to work. So first we're going to grind all our herbs. Fresh herbs are already available plentifully. We're going to dry them for next year. So I'm starting here with the honey melon sage. Make sure that you don't make the machine too full, and then this works really nicely. As you can see, with these lightweight herbs, you need to shake the grinder a bit and the result is a fine dust. There are still some bigger pieces, so I'm going to give it another spin. I'm going to give it another spin, that's what I wanted to say. Now it's all dusty, let's pour that into our bowl. Oh, the smell, gotta love it. Now repeat with all the other spices. Results are in. We got a lot of herb powder and it smells lovely. But even if you grind it very carefully, such a machine, it is made for coffee, is going to miss a couple of leaves. So I'm going to take a second bowl to sieve our herb dust. Not too fine a sieve, obviously. And you will see in a second that most of our herbs have been powdered very finely. I'm done here. Only a couple of leaves and stems left in the sieve. Here we got really fine powder. And now all that's left to do is mix our herb powder with the sea salt. Doesn't this sound have some ASMR qualities to it? We want to thoroughly mix everything. So and once we have this nice, beautiful, consistent green, our herb salt is finished. Salt is hydrophile, meaning it attracts water from the surrounding air. So for longer term storage, I always use one of these airtight containers. The great advantage apart from the taste is that if you use this salt, you can use it for basically everything, maybe not salted caramel, but I used it a lot for salads, for cooking in general. You need less salt. It's very, very tasty, very intense. And for this amount I used 1 kilogram of salt, but you can of course fine tune it to your liking. And now you know why it's not really a recipe, because you can use all the leftover herbs that fit your culinary style.